Everyone, welcome back to the class. Here we have a very simple question, that is, on what factors does resistance of a conductor depends on? So this is a very simple question. Let us try to understand this question. So immediately you can write the formula, that is like R is equal to rho L divided by A. You know this, yes or no? So you know that this resistance is directly proportional to length, right? So resistance is directly proportional to length of conductor. So if you are increasing the length, so I mean whatever this resistance is there, that will also increase. If you decrease the length, the resistance will also decrease. And don't you think this resistance is inversely proportional to area of or rather than saying area, so you can say cross sectional area, no? Cross sectional area, cross sectional area of conductor, it is inversely proportional to cross sectional area of conductor. And don't you think this resistance is directly proportional to resistivity of materials? So this rho is resistivity, right? So it is directly proportional to resistivity of material. You are supposed to write only these things directly. If you write like this, then there is there will be 100% chance to give you mark immediately by ticking them. They are going to offer you 2 marks, right? All right. Now similarly, if they are asking you one more question, so what is that? On what factors does resistivity depends on? Resistivity depends on. Okay, so what will be the answer for this? On what factors does resistivity depends on? It's going to be quite simple, no? So what is that? I mean, whatever this resistivity is there, this resistivity do not depend on length and all. So resistivity depends on nature of material, no? So whatever nature of material is there, on that only it is depending on. All right, so it is depending on nature of material. It is not at all depending on any length and all. So that is like resistivity of 1 meter of copper is equal to resistivity. There is no need to write like this. Answer is over there. Resistivity of 1 meter of copper equal to resistivity of 1 kilometer of copper. This is very important. Here copper is important. Whether it is 1 meter or 1 kilometer is not important. But resistance of 1 meter of copper will be definitely not equal to resistance of 1 kilometer of copper. So that's a different discussion. What I want to tell you here is that resistance depends on 3 factors. One is length, another is cross sectional area, and next is resistivity of the material. So it is dependent on 3 factors. All these 3 factors whatever I have mentioned. But here so this resistivity is there, no? So this resistivity depends only on nature of material. So whatever nature of the material is there, no? So on that only it is dependent on. All right, thank you.